That's why you're here. Oh my gosh, what's your name? That is what your mom's name. I thought it was. Just checking. Okay, who's your teacher? Sorry, I'm going fast because I don't want it to sit in your hair any longer. Miss Honey, did you say? Thank you. And you've got 4 slimes in your hair. Hold on. You got 4 slimes in your hair. You have 4 slimes in your hair. Oh my gosh. 4 slimes. Seriously. You done this? What did you do? Jake done it. I'm going to be talking to the principal because Jake came in the other day when I was doing the new check. Yeah, the other week. And he was rude. Rude as. He was really rude. And he was shouting at me. So I asked him to leave so he didn't get the full net check. So he hasn't. It's not my fault. Oh my gosh, I'll be talking to your principal, and if the principal doesn't expel him, I will get him expelled. Okay. I'm so sorry that has happened. So first, I'm going to start by trying to just pull it out. Okay. So we're gonna start with this orange one. Could you move your head forward like that? So we're gonna start with the orange one. So that's all I got out. But it is. Sorry. Just before it's like that, please. Oh, I'm so sorry. Tell me if I'm pulling your hair, please. Could you tip it off? Head forwards even. This stuff is so nice. Oh, I'm sorry. That is so nice, but yeah. This stuff is stuck in your hair. Okay, let me go on to the blue one. So I'm going to get out the blue one, which is really super stuck. Oh my god, how are you going to get this out? Oh my god. Guess I got some of it out, I guess. I'm really sorry, I've never felt a slime before. I'm sorry. I should say. No, I don't have any daughters, so you don't have slime. I probably wouldn't even have any daughters after this day ever. Oh, slime. Oh, I'm so sorry if I'm hurting you. Please tell me if I'm hurting you. Sorry, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, I can't get any more out. Kind of spark. This one's really sticky. I got it. Jake, you're getting expelled. Oh, nothing's fine. Okay, we've got. Oh, I can't get any out. Okay. So now I'm just going to try and put some of this in your hair. Okay, let's. Oh my gosh, I think I'm just making it worse. Oh, there's a little bit there of blue. Maybe I can get it. Oh, there we go. I got a bit of it out. Okay. We're gonna have to go in with some baby oil. I guess we'll have to go in with some baby oil. Try and open it. Oiled up. I'm just gonna put it all in. Could you keep it forward for me? So this should get it off. I know it's gonna get basically all of it off, but at the end we might just have to chop some of the stuff off. But I used to be a hairdresser, so I know where to snip. So if I snip there, obviously that's not good. But they're at the sides, so if I just go, that should look perfect, and you would get a really good hairstyle. Trust me. Okay, that looks like it should be good. And now I'm just gonna start. Loads is coming out now. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Right. All of it is basically out now. I'm gonna have to. I'm really sorry. I'm just gonna have to write down to cut your hair. I'm really sorry. I'm just gonna take a few snippets off. I'm really sorry, but I'm just gonna go. Sorry. My thing keeps falling out. I'm really not having a good time here. I'm really sorry, but nobody's gonna notice. Like seriously, nobody's gonna know. Alright, so I'm just gonna pull your hair forward and No excuse. Don't say that you didn't tell me now. You didn't tell me now. Oh, no, it's fine. Go to the principal's office now. Now. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I'm really sorry. He deserved it, and you ran it, so my hair keeps going on. Okay, let's explore that haircut. Do you want like bangs? Yeah, okay. Let me spray your hair. Ready? Start by brushing out your hair. Okay, now I'm gonna do your bangs down. There we go. That looks amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna work a little bit more on those bangs. Okay, let me just base. Oh, there's a little bit more slime